Prompt engineering is an essential concept in the field of artificial intelligence that involves crafting effective instructions or queries for AI models to generate accurate and meaningful responses. In this video, we will delve into the definition and explanation of prompt engineering, highlighting its importance in harnessing the full potential of AI systems. So, let's explore this fascinating field and understand why prompt engineering is crucial for unlocking the true power of AI. Prompt engineering refers to the process of designing and refining prompts to effectively guide AI models to produce the best outputs. A prompt can take various forms, including written instructions, questions, or incomplete sentences, and is used to elicit responses from AI models trained on large datasets. The objective of prompt engineering is to provide explicit and specific guidance to AI systems, helping them generate accurate and relevant content. Imagine you're talking to a friend, and you want to ask him about his favorite Marvel movie. You could simply say, "Hey, what's your favorite movie?" But with prompt engineering, you could be more specific and say, "Hey, can you tell me your favorite movie from the Marvel superhero series?" By adding this extra detail, you're guiding your friend's response and making sure you get the information you want. Similarly, prompt engineering helps us ensure that ChatGPT and other AI models give us the answers we're looking for. We modify how we ask questions to get the best and most accurate responses, just like how we modified our question for our friend. This way, AI models understand what we're asking and can provide helpful answers. Why should we care about prompt engineering? Let's talk about control and customization first. Imagine having the control to dictate what an AI model generates. Think of controlling your AI system like it's a music playlist. You choose the rhythm, the beat, and the tunes. That's what effective prompt engineering does. It enables you to orchestrate the AI system's output, tailoring the content it generates to your taste, your requirements, and even your ethical stipulations. Now, imagine ensuring the accuracy and reliability of what the AI creates. Picture a beautifully crafted prompt that eliminates biases and inaccuracies, rooting out false claims and misinformation. Wouldn't you love it if you could do this? That's another win for prompt engineering. It ensures the AI model steps away from spreading misleading or biased information. But there's more. User satisfaction and engagement can also be significantly improved through prompt engineering. Imagine AI systems producing content that speaks directly to your soul, holds your interest, and encourages you to engage. Prompt engineering can whip up that magic, delivering responses that are so relevant and personalized that they leave you feeling understood and valued. Lastly, consider the importance of ethical and responsible AI. Prompts dipped in ethical considerations, fairness, diversity, and respect for privacy are crucial to guiding AI models. By incorporating societal norms and values into these prompts, we can steer AI systems to deliver outputs that resonate with our ethical standards. So think about it. Isn't prompt engineering worth the hype? Now that we know why prompt engineering is so important, let's discuss the 10 most important elements to consider when crafting a prompt. 1. Provide clear instructions. It is essential to provide concise and unambiguous instructions that convey your specific expectations from the model. Avoid using vague or open-ended prompts, as they result in unpredictable or irrelevant responses. 2. Incorporate relevant context to aid the model in comprehending the task or desired outcome. This includes offering background details, specifying the domain or topic, or referencing prior statements or examples. 3. Clearly state the format or structure you anticipate the model to adopt while generating a response. Whether you require a concise answer, a detailed paragraph, or a neatly organized bullet-pointed list, it is vital to explicitly communicate your expectations within the prompt. 4. Include input examples and desired outputs. By demonstrating the expected response format or providing sample answers, the model gains a better understanding of your requirements. For instance, if you seek a concise answer, you could provide an input like, "What is the capital of France?" with the desired output being Paris. This way, the model can grasp the specific format and content you anticipate, allowing for more accurate and relevant responses aligned with your desired outcomes. 5. Clearly communicate any specific constraints or limitations within the prompt that need to be taken into account. Whether it involves word count restrictions, time constraints, or adherence to specific guidelines, providing explicit instructions ensures the model operates within the defined boundaries. For instance, if you require a response within a certain character limit, you can state it in the prompt as, "Please provide your response in 200 characters or less." By doing so, you guide the model to generate responses that comply with the specified constraints, enabling more focused and tailored outputs. 6. Clearly express any specific requirement for the tone, style, or voice of the generated text within the prompt. This is particularly valuable when aiming to replicate the writing style of a particular author or maintain consistency with a specific brand voice. By explicitly stating your expectations, such as, "Please adopt a formal tone," or "Ensure the writing aligns with our brand's friendly and conversational voice," you provide the necessary guidance for the model to generate text that matches the desired tone or style accurately. 7. Provide instructions to the model regarding how to handle errors or ambiguous queries. Give guidance on the desired response when the model encounters input that it cannot process or comprehend. 8. Include evaluation or feedback instructions. In case you intend to evaluate the model's response or provide feedback, please include instructions on how the model should handle evaluation-specific requests or incorporate feedback in subsequent responses. 9. Modify the language complexity in the prompt according to your intended audience or desired level of complexity. Simplify intricate concepts as needed, or utilize specialized terminology when suitable. 10. Consider the possibility of biases or sensitive topics in the prompt. Use unbiased and inclusive language, and be mindful of how the prompt may impact the model's outputs in terms of fairness and representation. Here's an example of a good prompt. Craft a 200-word bullet-pointed blog post introduction on the history of AI, using a conversational and friendly tone. The output should include key milestones and make mention of its current stage and future potential. Note: please treat any vague or ambiguous input with rephrasing in simpler terms. Anticipate feedback and adjust the response accordingly. Let's break this down. We've provided clear instructions on the task at hand, crafting a blog post introduction. This reduces ambiguity. The context is about the history of AI, telling the AI what the blog post is about. We specify a bullet point format, outlining the structure we require. By specifying a 200-word limit, we've clearly laid out our constraints. We've asked the AI to adopt a conversational and friendly tone, defining our style requirement. If there's any ambiguous input, the AI is instructed to rephrase it in simpler terms, ensuring it understands how to handle errors or ambiguities. We instruct the AI to anticipate feedback and adjust the response accordingly. It's ready to incorporate feedback. By asking for a conversational tone, we've adjusted language complexity to make it simple, appealing to a broad audience. Lastly, we've been mindful to avoid biases or sensitive topics by sticking to factual, historical information. And there you go. That's how you craft an effective AI prompt. Remember, the quality of your instruction determines the quality of the results. So, make your prompts clear, concise, and detailed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Also, make sure to hit the notification button so you never miss any new videos from us. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts on this video or any suggestions for future content.